Hey, it's Eldon here, and today I wanted to talk to you about your limiting beliefs and the three things that you need to have in place in order to know what they are. Now, recently, one of my subscribers asked me that very question, and when you're asking a question like that, uh, you are very much aware of yourself and you're aware of your abilities, and you should know that you're moving in a positive direction if you're asking those kinds of questions. A lot of people are simply unaware of themselves, and that's unfortunate. But nonetheless, there's three things that you can do to help find your limiting beliefs. And I believe the first one is that you have to have goals. You have to have goals in your life that you can strive for and reach for. They don't have to be incredibly big and grandiose, but you need to have goals. And the reason is, without goals, you have no direction and you have nothing that you're actually striving for. So there's nothing to really concern yourself about whether you have a limiting belief. But once you have a goal and you're working towards that steadily, then you'll start to see patterns come up in your life. And the next thing that relates to this is that you have to be radically honest. You have to have what Carl Jung said, radical honesty, a willingness to accept full responsibility for your life and for what you are absolutely capable of. And now when I say this, he was talking more so about integrating your shadow and all of the monstrous, incredibly violent and ugly things that we are all capable of. And when you're willing to accept and understand that you yourself are capable of doing those very same things, you become a more whole and a more rounded person. Not that you're going to do that stuff, but you're integrating and accepting all of who you are as a person. Now, interestingly, there's also a side of this that when you accept yourself, when you fully integrate yourself, you become a more magnanimous person. And you see this within actors and comedians, even singers. And you'll notice if you watch a show like The Voice or American Idol or America's Got Talent, those kinds of shows, you'll see where people are sometimes really closed off and they're not allowing themselves to be fully who and what they are. And then, of course, you see others who are that way. And when that happens, you immediately identify with that person and cheer them on even more. So there's a positive side to integrating your shadow as well. Now, the third thing that you want to have in place is a mentor or a coach. Someone who is in your life who is willing to tell you the way it is, with love, but at the same time not holding back. And if you have someone like that in your life, you're going to see that your life will move forward more rapidly because you're getting the advice that you really need to have at that time. So it's really simple. You need to have goals. You need to be willing to be radically honest and take responsibility for your actions and the results that you're getting. And then you also have to have a coach or a mentor, someone in your life. And that those three things are going to allow you to find your limiting beliefs and let you start to move forward. And how you change those beliefs is completely up to you. Like I've mentioned on this channel before, we can do Psyche, we can do hypnotherapy, We can do the neuro tap or EFT. Things like that will integrate new beliefs into our mind, and then thereby getting us to move forward in a positive direction. So I hope you enjoyed that. I've had to take on a different way of doing these videos. I just don't have the time right now to be doing them in front of my whiteboard. I'm working really long hours with my construction company and with my affiliate marketing at the same time, and then my books as well, my kids' books. I am super busy and I just don't have the time. So you're going to start to see more videos of me in the excavator talking about different things, whether it's affiliate marketing or motivational type things like this. You're going to see me in the excavator more often. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all of you for your comments and subscribing to my channel. I wish you the best. Take care.